All right. You ready?
All right. TJ.
All those opponents out there. We gotta come up with a strategy.
All right. Here's my idea. TJS.
Okay.
I want you to go long, go to the right, fake to the right, and then cut back to the left. So go long, fake to the right, cut back to the left, and I'll pass it to you.
All right.
Ready?
Sounds good.
All right. Let's do it.
Okay.
10:32. 10:32. Hut, hut, hike. Good start.
Good start.
All right. Next play.
All right. We're gonna do it next. We gotta get another touchdown.
All right. We got a strategy. Strategy. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Go long, and then come back short, and then run in for a touchdown.
All right.
Ready?
Okay.
3:23. 3:23. Hut, hut, hike. Touchdown. All right.
Hey. What do we got next?
This time we got the fabled Hail Mary pass. This was this is what won Super Bowl 13 back in 1975.
Oh, yeah,
when the Green Bay Packers played against the Chicago Bears. So famous quarterback Roy Ourbisen did the Hail Mary, and we're going to repeat that here. Okay.
Yep.
Very historic play.
All right. Yep.
All
There
right.
we go.
Let's do it.
All right.
3:23. 3:23. Hut, hut, hike.
We did it.
Super Bowl champions.
We did it, guys.